Today we are going to unbox this mouse which I bought from Amazon. It has 1600 DPI as you can see, and it's from Protronics with the DPI controller as well, and it cost only $299. So is it worth it or not? Let's just see. So if we just unbox it from here, what we get inside is the mouse, and it's really in good color. I like the color white. Basically the normal mouse colors would be black, but as you can see this is white in color. And the best part is that this is a Bluetooth mouse. I mean wireless mouse, not Bluetooth, I'm sorry. So you just have to plug in the adapter in there, and you need to put a battery in there, so it will be good to go. So definitely what I would suggest is worth it. You can definitely buy it. So whoever is looking for a Bluetooth mouse, this is the best option. And the receiver is inside, as you can see. You need to plug into your USB 3.0 or 2.0 and you'll be good to go.